Namaste friends, this is Priyu and you all are welcome to my channel Priyu's Crafty Wings. How are you all? I hope you all are well. Today I will make these beautiful flowers with using only craft paper. So let's start. At first I am taking 3 round shape paper, all sizes are different. Now I am taking the big one and folding this from the middle. Now I am doing the second step of folding. Again I am fold this from both sides. Look at this carefully because these steps is very vital. After doing this I am taking a pen and draw a curved line. Cut it with a scissor as per line. This is very easy. You must try this at your home. Now I am opening this from the middle. This is the first one. I did same thing with all papers. Now I am applying glue on the big flowers, attaching the middle one. Again I am applying glue, attaching the small one. Applying glue. Now I am attaching a small round shaped colorful paper on it. So now let it dry. Let's give it some time to completely drying it. After drying this, do this with your finger. How I am doing this? It will give you a 3D effect on these flowers. This flower is ready now. My all flowers are completely ready. This is so beautiful. You must try this at your home. I hope you all are enjoying this video. If you like this video, do like, comment, share and subscribe this channel for more videos. Love you all. Take care. Bye bye and thanks for watching.